Well, good morning. It's a cold one outside. It's only about 35 degrees, 40 maybe, but we got 35 to 40 mile an hour wind. So as you see right here, this will be my project, one of them, for the next several months. This thing's totally gutted. It's 14 by 80. Gonna set up my sawhorses this morning. Total redesign. This was a bedroom, a bathroom, living room, utility room, kitchen, master bedroom, and then at far back was a master bathroom. Now this one is, we're going to redesign this one a little bit. That's still going to be a master bathroom, master bedroom, but instead of the kitchen there, kitchen is going to be at this end of the house now. This will be a small office area, and this will be a still the living room. Then a utility room still be in this area, but then we'll have another bedroom, a hall bathroom, the master bedroom with the master bathroom back that way. He kind of wants all the bedrooms back that way, and which he's paying for it, and that's what we can do. But as you can see, and I don't know how old this mobile home is, but he wanted to know if I want to demo it because it's kind of like a hoarder's. And I seen it and I said not really. So he got a Mexican demo crew in here, and they had this whole thing tore out in a day. Then they came back and then they got the floors and the ceiling the next day. Very efficient. They did a good job, and I was more than happy. That's a job I did not want. As you can see, this has got all kinds of stuff. A bunch of lead pack rat or something got up in here, built a nest. So we're going to have to replumb it, belly wrap, insulation. Let me show you this over here. There was a wall here. This is where the old hall bathroom tub was. It had leaked for years, and it's just rotted out everything. So if you do have a mobile home and you're not keeping those tubs caulked and stuff, you may wake up to a world of hurt one day. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you all this. Obviously we're going to have a lot of electrical work done in here, run all new plumbing lines. I'll probably go with PEX. The existing lines are part copper, part PVC, and back there in back corner was where the water heater was. He's going with an on-demand system, so we'll put it here in the utility room and reclaim that little 2 foot or 3 foot by 3 foot space back there. Problem what we're having now is finding some siding, aluminum siding for the outside that will match. So anyway, I just thought it'd be something y'all might like to see what we're doing. So Donald, Blue Collar DIY. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click that little bell down there. Catch y'all later, and I'll keep you updated on this little project.